it's Ellie and welcome to a new video. In today's practice, we are working on warming up the body, moving the spine. It's so important, especially for a golfer, as we do so many twisting during a golf game. The spine is the house of our central nervous system and the energy flow. Keeping healthy, it's really important. After this class, you will feel stronger and more flexible. We need a club, if you have one, or an umbrella, and set it apart. And let's begin in a standing position. Keep your feet at hips distance apart for more balance. Arms on the side, soft. Feel the connection with the ground to your feet. Engage your quads. And feel the spine tall, nice, long. Maybe you feel taller than usual. Keep your shoulders down, back, and relax. Close your eyes just for a few breaths. Connecting yourself with your body and with your breathing. Relax the mind. Take 3 deep, long breaths through your nose, out from your mouth. Long and deep. And sigh out. Gently open your eyes. You can grab your club or your umbrella, whatever you have. You can place your hands on your club. Your hands are at shoulders distance apart. Inhale, lift up your arms over your head. Exhaling, bring them down. And again. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. This time, turn your palms, grab it from this side, inhale, lift up your arms, exhaling down. Other 2 times, inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. This time, place your club behind your back. And start doing, you can widen your feet and you start doing some twisting right and left. Go with your breathing. Be gentle with yourself. Don't force it. We're starting to warming up the body, warming up the spine. And we are keeping energy inside our body. And come back to the center. Release your arms. You can place your club away. Bring your right foot behind your left foot. Rise up your arms and grab your right wrist with your left hand and flex your body on the left. Open your shoulders. Look up and feel all the stretch on the right side. Breathe. Keep breathing. We are opening all the right side of the body, making some space between vertebrae, and come back to the center. Shake your legs. Bring your left foot behind your right. Raise up your arms and grab your left wrist for a side stretch. Look up, open your shoulder and breathe. Focusing on your breathing. You are creating space on the left side of your body. Another breath through your nose and come back to the center. Round your shoulders, over your shoulders, in both directions. And come back to the center. Inhale, lift up your arms over your head and flex on the left. You can push your hip out, stay with your arms strong. This is a nice stretch for your back. And come back to the center. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, flex on the right. You can feel your core. Stay with your breathing. Stay focused. And come back to the center. Release your arms. Shake your arms, your legs. Grab your club. Place the club in front of you. One hand over your club. One hand on your left hip. Inhale, lift up your left leg. Exhale, open. Come back to the center, another time. Last time. And come back down. Change hand. Inhale, lift up your right leg. Open your leg. Come back to the center. Open. Come back to the center, open, and release. Shake your legs. Grab your club. And now you can widen your feet. Start. Go by side, twist. Right and left with your club. You can bend your knees. Go with your breathing. Move freely. And come back to the center. Release your arms. Place your hands over your club. Feet close. And gently, slowly, from your hips around and go on 90 degrees with a flat back. I feel the lengthening of your spine. Your tailbone is back, crown of your head forward. And breathe. And slowly bend your knees, and you can slowly release, forward fold. You can place your hands behind your calf. Your chest is on your thighs. And just keep breathing, relaxing. Leave your head soft. Place your hands under your knees for a flat back. One breath here, long spine. Exhaling down, hands behind your legs. And slowly, slowly bend your knees and come back up, vertebra after vertebra. Arms over your head. Big stretch. And arms on the side. You can move your palm. Hands in front of your heart center. Take 3 deep, long breaths through your nose. Inhale. Exhale. And again. Exhale. Exhale long. Namaste. Thank you, and I'm sure you will feel better after this practice. See you next video.